Method 2 for solving exponentials, we're going to use logs to solve the exponential equations. It will always work. You can always use logs to solve and it'll always work, but it is a little more difficult. So this is like a foolproof method. No matter what, it always works, whereas you can't always find a common base. Step 1 is you're going to take the log of both sides. Usually I just write the log right up at the top. And then we want to roll the exponents down. So I'm going to roll down the x plus 1 and roll down the 2x. You want to be careful with that x plus 1 because that whole thing is getting multiplied by log 3 when it comes down. And then it's 2x times log 27. So I got to multiply that log 3 by x and by 1. So it becomes x log 3 plus 1 times log 3 is log 3 equals 2x times log 27. Then I want to group the x's all on the same side of the equation. So the x log 3 and the 2x log 27 I want on the same side. Everything that doesn't have an x needs to be on the other side of the equation. So the easiest thing this time is to move the x log 3 to the right-hand side of the equation. So since it's positive on the left, when I move it over to the right, it's going to be negative. So I'm going to have log 3 equals 2x log 27 minus x log 3. Now, with the x's on the same side, you can factor x out on the right-hand side. And I'm going to have log 3 equals x times 2 log 27 minus log 3. Then all I have to do is divide both sides by the 2 log 27 minus log 3. X is going to equal then log 3 divided by 2 log 27 minus log 3. What you need to make sure of is that you want to make sure that you divide the log 3 by the whole denominator, 2 log 27 minus log 3. So you need to put brackets around the whole denominator. Anytime there's a plus or a minus in the numerator or denominator and you're putting it into the calculator, make sure you put whatever has the plus or minus in it inside of brackets. If you don't have brackets here, the log 3 will only be divided by 2 log 27. So try to put this in your calculator and you should get 0.2, which is the same as 1/5. So you get the exact same answer as the last question. So just make sure you can enter that log 3 divided by 2 log 27 minus log 3 and get 0.2.